Okay, compound inequalities involving OR. So, here's an example. Let's see. Solve 5x plus 1 is less than negative 4, or 6x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 10. Then graph the solution. Now, this does not mean to solve one or the other of the inequalities. What you want to do is solve them both and graph them both on the same number line. So, let's do it. So I have 5x plus 1 is less than negative 4. And then I have another inequality, 6x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 10. I'm just going to solve both of these individually. So, subtract 1, and you end up with 5x is less than negative 5. On this side, I divide by 5, and I end up with x is less than negative 1. Now over here, I'm going to add 2 to each side. I end up with 6x is greater than or equal to 12. Divide both sides by 6, you end up with x is greater than or equal to 2. Now you just draw the number line, put in the appropriate numbers. So I have x is less than negative 1, or x is greater than or equal to 2. Now next problem, I have negative x plus 5 is less than negative 1, or negative x minus 3 is greater than 7. So let's do each problem. So I subtract 5 from each side. I end up with negative x is less than negative 6. Divide by negative 1. And now remember that you flip the inequality sign around, so x is now greater than 6. Remember, flip that inequality sign when you divide by a negative. And now over here I'm going to add 3 to both sides and end up with negative x is greater than 10. Again, I'm going to divide by negative 1 and end up with x is less than, remember to flip, x is less than negative 10. Okay, now I'll just draw this number line, put the appropriate numbers in. So it's greater than, so it's an open circle, arrow going to the right, and then x is less than negative 10, again open circle, x is going to the left. And there you have it.